Hello everybody, Boomba Racing here with our Honda Acura bypass valve. This bypass valve works on many turbo Hondas and Acuras, including the Civic Type R, Integra Type S, TLX Type S, MDX Type S, 2-liter turbo Accord, and 2-liter turbo RDX. The Boomba Racing bypass valve is engineered for leak-free, consistent boost, and is precision CNC machined from aircraft-grade billet aluminum, which is far superior to the factory bypass valve. This high-performance billet bypass valve is designed to replace the OEM bypass valve and works perfectly with no tune needed. Our bypass valve features a robust internal brass piston design that is engineered to deliver consistent boost control even under the most demanding conditions. We have pressure tested our bypass valve up to 75 psi with absolutely zero leaks. This is much better than the factory bypass valve with its rubber diaphragm. This bypass valve also helps the turbo spool up quicker, maintain boost more consistently throughout the rev range, and increase the longevity of your turbo. This bypass valve comes in 4 different anodized colors: black, blue, red, and natural, which you can see here in the video. Like all Boomba Racing products, our bypass valve is 100% made in the USA at our own CNC machining facility and backed by a lifetime warranty. Check out our product review section for the Honda Acura bypass valve on our website to read about real-life impressions from our customers. Head on over to www.boombaracing.com to get yours today.